I am back with another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with the Naturallista.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, I am actually in my film room. I'm gonna go ahead and input some footage to show you what my film room slash office slash studio looks like. So in today's video, I believe this should probably be Vlogmas Day 2. Oh wait, 2. Vlogmas Day 2, I look crazy. But I have so many videos coming up, y'all, and I just had to get these videos out. So in today's video, I want to go ahead and actually do a little decoration for my office just to spruce my office up so that my background can look a little more like holiday-ish. Was that English? No. So I got a few things from Burlington. I got a few things from Target, and I believe I picked up, I probably didn't, but I picked up a few things from the Dollar Tree, I believe. No, Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go ahead and be using the multi-surface cleaner from Spray Away and the glass cleaner from Spray Away. Alright y'all, so I am done. It was just a few decorations like I said, but I did go ahead and clean the room. And I was cleaning my desk with the camera off because my battery died, so you guys missed that. But it was a really quick and easy clean, only because it's a room, on top of the fact that I usually stay on top of making sure it's clean, especially when I do like hair videos and stuff like that. I clean every time after I record, so it wasn't much to really clean. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go around the room so you guys can see, and I can go ahead and probably let you know some things that are in here, just in case you have your own office or studio or film room, whatever you want to call it. Maybe you're interested in what's going on. So I'm just going to do a small little room tour because I have yet to put that on my channel. Sorry for looking rough, but yeah, I have a lot of videos to record. So okay, so this is the door that you'll come in, and this is, I'm going to go ahead and do it in POV kind of editing. So when you walk in, you look to your left and I have a little bench here. I actually have my pomegranate. They're so cute, which is usually in my background of my video, but because we actually obviously redecorated a little bit, it's gonna stay over here. So as you can see, I got the pomegranate from Etsy. I got this vase from Home Goods. I got this bench from Wayfair. I also got the 2 pillow, well, I had the actual cushions, but the 2 covers I got from Amazon. I have these tables, which is 3, is like tallest to lowest, I'm sorry. And you can see I had to use like my Obama book to make sure they're even. But this table set was also from Wayfair. This plant I got from IKEA, and this elephant statue thing I got from Burlington. I did have more plants here, but it seems like this room gets really cold. My boyfriend surprised me with my logo that he got for me, and the decal to put on the wall. That's just my logo for now, because actually I just realized someone else has it. So it's not like, yeah, whatever. To the right, I actually have 2 cute little gold paintings that I got from Target. Now you see the tree that we just put together. The bookshelf is also from Wayfair. I have my 2 baby pothos up there. Majority of, I believe all of the decor that's on here is actually from Burlington. I got this from Target. I got this from Burlington. I got these pots from Amazon. I got the Blessed from Burlington. All the cute little Christmas decorations I actually got from Target, and then these lights were from Hobby Lobby. But the bookshelf itself is from Wayfair, which I love. I found this beauty from Home Goods, so cute, and it actually lights up. And yeah, so this will be my background. I have to test it out in the video, but I have 2 little cute Christmas trees. This picture I actually got from Amazon as well. The trees were from Burlington. They were $10 each. And as I said, these little cute beauties were from Target. This was from Target as well, $3 a piece. This little North Pole sign is from Target. This little tree right here is from Target, my Bluetooth speaker, and that was from Target a while back. But as I said, these 2 little candles as well I added, but for the most part, everything else is here. I just actually rearranged the elephant over there, which was right here, if you see in the previous clip. Over here is my closet, which I hope nothing falls out, but this is storage. Extra clothes for my boyfriend and I. I believe some pillows and some vacuum bags that's up there. An extra tripod, more, ooh, my hair, Lord Jesus. Some extra furniture stuff that was also on the shelf as well. It's just like miscellaneous stuff in here. As well as, I need a mirror right here so I can, when I do my try on hauls. Then I have a window here. I do wish this was like a brighter room. Now to the equipment. So this is my IKEA desk with the Alex drawers and the tabletop, which I will link down below, and my boyfriend actually cut it to be the same length as the Alex drawers. I don't know if you can see it, the lighting kind of sucks, but yeah, so I basically have like all, like, this is like my office stuff, like the scissors. Well, I threw that in there because I have nowhere else to put it. But for the most part, I have like my combs, my brushes, my clips, my towel for when I wash my hair. This stuff is like, you know, it's just miscellaneous hair stuff. I kind of had it organized before, but of course, as we go, like, I'm a product junkie, y'all. Like, this is crazy, like crazy. But I definitely, this is like all my electronic stuff, all my tripods, mini tripods, my mics, and all that good stuff. Then I have some more hair products. Like, y'all, these are all like my headbands and stuff, some nail stuff, flat irons, blow dryers, all that good stuff, and then some more hair stuff. So yeah, I also have my mic. What is this called again? You know, you guys know what this mic is, which I can't think of. But this is what I recorded with my ASMR video that you guys probably didn't like, but whatever. This mirror I got from IKEA. This beauty I got from Amazon, which basically is a reflector, which helps to bounce the light off of me. These two lights here, studio lights, my boyfriend gifted me, and these were also from Amazon, and it is the newer brand. And this ring light is actually Mount Dog, and I got that from Amazon. And then behind that, this is a part of the studio light set that my boyfriend got me. This is for the backdrop, and then it also came with 2 umbrella lights that I haven't used yet. But for the most part, all the videos you see, this is how my setup is basically when I'm recording. Over here, which you've seen in my try on haul, but I do record over here in this corner, was my last video for my fall lookbook. But this wardrobe, what is this called? Rack is actually from Amazon. And then I actually moved all my some of my pocketbooks up here just to give us some room in our closet downstairs. And then I threw some stuff on here. And yeah, my extra tripod, shredder that I never use. And I just actually moved my table away from the wall because it was all the way on the wall. And I don't know, I was just so far away from this background. But I actually love. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the lights. I'm actually gonna test out how this looks behind me. I may not need the lights, but I'm planning to do Vlogmas, y'all. And you guys seen this video. I believe I'm gonna put it on like Vlogmas day 2 or day 1, I'm not sure. But you seen this video, Vlogmas already started. So I'm trying to see how these lights look behind me. I don't know if I need it. I'll probably remove the lights and keep the trees because that may be enough. But yeah, this is my studio, y'all. I am a small YouTuber, but I'm slowly growing, and I'm actually using my Canon G7X camera when I do record. I haven't recorded off of my iPhone. It's just kind of weird for me of where to look in the camera. Like, which do I look this way? Like, it's so confusing for me because you have to do it horizontally. So yeah, it kind of confuses me. So I'd rather use my camera. But this is my film room, y'all. Let me get a little, you know. So I'm going ahead and testing out how my background looks since I decorated. I guess it looks okay. Maybe I should have the lights flashing. But the trees look really cute. Really like that. Yeah, I guess that's it. Also, I forgot to show you guys my chair that I actually have here, which is a beautiful emerald green. It's also from Wayfair, and it has the gold legs. Really cute, y'all. I will try to go ahead and link everything that I have in my studio down below in the description box with the links, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that. Then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for checking out my first or second Vlogmas video, y'all. We have a lot more days to go, and I really want to stick to this and try it out for the first time this year on my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.
Peace. Place to go. Let it snow, let it